Hey everyone, this is Dhruveen, and in this session we are going to talk about how we can load Microsoft Dataverse for Teams table data in Power BI Desktop. So now let's get started. Microsoft Dataverse for Team. As we all know that Dataverse for Teams is something which provides us to create our table and build the Power Apps, Power Automate and Power Virtual Agents chatbot on top of those data. Now sometimes what happen here is we need to load Dataverse for Teams table data to Power BI desktop in order to prepare further reporting. So how can we load that? Let me show you that thing in detail over here. If you are not aware about Microsoft Dataverse for Teams with Power Apps, I have prepared a separate step-by-step series for that. It's a 7 part of series. The link is available in the description box. So go with that. So let's say for an example, I am clicking Power Apps from the left navigation over here from the Teams. Now, first of all, let's check its version. So from here, just go to the About section from here and click on Session Details. From Session Details, we will be finding the instance URL for our Dataverse for Teams. So let's copy this particular URL from here. So I'm just copying this URL from here. Now, in order to load Dataverse for Teams table to my Power BI desktop, we need to use this particular URL. Now, let me just go to the home page here and let me show you the table that I have created so far over here. So I'm clicking here on see more, and here we have our teams Microsoft Dataverse YouTube team, and in that team we have created these different tables: leaves table, leave type table and manager table. Now I want to load leaves and leave type table to my Power BI desktop. So how can I do that? So for that, just open your Power BI desktop. Here there is a new connector provided in order to load Dataverse for Teams data to Power BI desktop. First of all, from here click on Get Data, click on More. Now from here click on Power Platform section, and here you can see a new connector, that is Common Data Service Beta. So basically this is something which is in preview, so I will not recommend it to use that into production. So this is the connector that is used in order to load Dataverse for Teams data to Power BI desktop. So select that connector and click on connect. So first of all, it will provide you one warning to you that it is in preview. Click on continue. First we need to provide the environment domain. So remember the URL that we have copied, let's paste that URL over here. Now in this particular URL we need to make some changes over here. Now which are those changes? Let me show you. So from this URL you need to remove HTTPS. So let me remove HTTPS, and you need to remove the last slash. So I'm just removing that. Here there are two different mode, import mode and direct query mode. I would like to go with the import mode. So just click on OK. So here first of all it will ask to organizational sign in. So let's click on sign in. So here my Power BI desktop is already signed in, so it will automatically take that credentials over here. So we just need to select our account. So I'm selecting this account and we are good to connect. Let's click on connect. So as you can see that all the tables from that particular environment is being shown to us here. Now let's say we want to load our leaves table, so let's search for leaves. So here you can see that the table leaves and leave type both are available here. Now if we go to the Dataverse over here, let's say I'm going for my Dataverse for Teams, and if I click on this leaves table, its internal name is something which would be exact similar like we have seen into my Power BI desktop. So let me open up that. So here you can see that this is my leaves table, and you can see that this name is appended with this prefix CR7EA. So we would be having the similar name over here, CR7EA underscore leaves. So let's select the tables that you wish to load from here. I want to select these two tables, so I'm just selecting these two tables and clicking on load. So the table data has been loaded successfully. So this is how you can load your Microsoft Dataverse for Teams data to your Power BI desktop. Isn't that amazing? If you have any question related to this topic, you can add your question in the comment section. If you are for the first time to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe and press the bell notification to never miss any updates from my channel. Stay connected with me on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter. If you wish to receive daily notification about all my new videos exclusively on your WhatsApp number, click on this link. It will be redirecting you to this particular form. Fill the form and you will be receiving daily notification about all my new videos on your WhatsApp number. Also, if you wish to listen different Power Platform related podcast, just click on this link. It will be redirecting you to my podcast homepage. From here, you can listen your favorite podcast on different podcast platform like Google Podcast, Apple Podcast, Spotify, and much more. So, this is Trumin signing off. See you in the next session. Have a great day. Goodbye.